How many of you know classification of houses? Classification of houses. Can anybody judge? Can anybody judge? What do you understand by classification of houses? Anybody? Anybody knows? Classification of houses. Okay, let us start. Houses classification. First is Upachaya. Upachaya sthana. Upachaya sthana. 3
सर तुमचा माईक बंद आहे. सर तुमचा आवाज
अनम्यूट केलेलं आहे.
हो सर आता येतोय.
येतोय ना?
हो आता येतोय. आणि आधीचं जे बोललात ना ते जरा पुन्हा बोला.
ओके 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 ओके. Houses classification. First is Upachaya. 3, 6, 10 and 11 are the houses of Upachaya. ऐकू येते की नाही? हॅलो.
येते येते.
हा पहिलं ऐकू आलं का उपचय असताना?
नाही सर पुन्हा बोला.
हा उपचय असताना 3, 6, 10 and 11. 3, 6, 10 and 11 are upachaya sthana. Upachaya houses. Upachaya houses. Second is trick. T-R-I-K. Trick. 6, 8 and 12 are the 3 inauspicious or the evil trick houses. These and their lords are Ashubha. These houses and their lords are Ashubha. The eighth house and the eighth lord are the most
Sir, repeat.
काय झालं?
सर रिपीट करा ना प्लीज. नेट गेलेलं. हा लिहून.
येते ना ऐकू? हॅलो.
रिपीट करा जरा असं म्हणतायत त्या. उपचय स्थान 3, 6, 10, 11 ना.
6, 8 आणि 12. 6,
6 and 12
are trick sthanas. Trick.
ओके ओके ठीक आहे. थँक्यू.
TRIK. 6, 8 and 12 are the 3 inauspicious or the evil trick houses. These and their lords are Ashubha. These and their lords are Ashubha. The eighth house and the eighth lord are the most malefic. The eighth house and the eighth lord are the most malefic. Now third is Patita. P-A-T-I-T-A. P-A-T-I-T-A. Patita. 6 and 12 houses are called Patita houses. 6 and 12 are called Patita houses. Now fourth, quadrant or angular. Quadrant or angular. Kendra. 1, 4, 7 and 10. 1, 4, 7 and 10. These houses are called angular or quadrants. These houses are called angular or quadrants. Quadrans. The midpoints of these houses, are at 90 degrees to each other, forming a square. The midpoints of these houses are at 90 degrees each other, forming a square. These and their lords are Shubha. These and their lords are Shubha, called Vishnu Sthane. Called Vishnu Sthane. Fourth, succeedant. S-U-C-C-E-D-A-N-T. Succeedant. S-U-C-C-E-D-A-N-T. Succeedant. Panfar Sthane. Panfar Sthane. 2, 5, 8 and 11 are called succeedant houses. 2, 5, 8 and 11 are called succeedant houses. Now fifth, candent. C-A-N-D-E-N-T. Candent. Apoclym. Candent apoclym. 3, 6, 9 and 12 are called candent houses. 3, 6, 9, 12 are called candent houses. Now sixth is apachaya. A-P-A-C-H-A-Y. Apachaya. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11 are called apachayas houses. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11 are apachaya houses. Now 7, benefic houses. Benefic houses. Subhava. Benefic houses. Subhava. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10 and 11 are all benefic houses. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10 and 11 are benefic houses. Now 8. Trine, Trine, Trikona. Trine means trikona. Trine. 1, 5 and 9, these are three houses called trines. 1, 5 and 9, these three houses are called trines. The midpoints of these houses, are at 120 degrees to each other. The midpoints of these houses are at 120 degrees to each other, forming an equilateral triangle. These and their lots are great benefics. Shubha. These and their lots are great benefics. Shubha. These are called Lakshmi Sthane. Ninth, education, Jnana, किंवा विद्यास्थान. 2, 4 and 5 are education houses. 2, 4 and 5 are education houses. 10, malefic, heen. 3, 6, 8 and 12 are malefic houses. 3, 6, 8 and 12 are malefic houses. 11th, longevity, Ayu. Yes. Any difficulty?
Malefic क्या malefic?
Which one? Malefic. Heen Sane. 3, 6, 8 and 12 are malefic houses. Now 11th, longevity, Ayu. 3 and 8 are houses of longevity. 3 and 8 are houses of longevity. The 8th house is the house of longevity. The 8th from 8 is the 3rd house. The 3rd house also becomes the house of longevity. The 8th house is the house of longevity. The 8th from the 8th is the 3rd house. The 3rd house also becomes the house of longevity. 12. Death inflicting, Marakasthana. Death inflicting houses. 2 and 7 are death inflicting houses. A house which is 12 from a house denotes its loss. A house which is 12th from a house denotes its loss. Thus, the 7th house being 12th from 8th house and 2nd house being 12th from 3rd house becomes houses of loss of longevity. Therefore, 2nd and 7th houses are named as Marakasthanas. 2nd and 7th houses are named as Marakasthanas. The Lord's...
Sir, please repeat. Sir, excuse me. Sir, yes, please repeat this date.
Death inflicting. Death inflicting. INFLICTING. Marak. 2 and 7 are death inflicting houses. Now, a house which is 12th from a house. A house which is 12th from a house denotes its loss. Have you understood this? A house which is 12th from a house denotes its loss. Now see, thus the 7th house being the 12th from 8th house, followed the 7th house being the 12th from 8th house, and 2nd house being the 12th from 3rd house, becomes houses of loss of longevity. Therefore, 2nd and 7th houses are named as Marakasthanas. The lords of these houses are called Marakas. During the period of their influence, they can inflict death. They can inflict death or death-like situations. Now tell me, who has not understood this? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now
Yes, sir.
these are the houses, classification of houses. These are the classification of houses. Now, 12 I think I told 12 houses. First is Upachaya. Second is Trik. Third is Patita. Fourth is quadrant or angular. Fourth is accident, Munfar. Fifth is candent, apocline. Sixth is Apachaya. Seventh is benefic houses. Eighth is trine, tricone. Ninth is education. 10th, malefic. 11th, longevity. 12th, death inflicting houses. I think all of you understood this. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir. We got it.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us proceed further. Now matters judged from houses relative to each house. Bhavat bhava. Matters judged from houses relative to each house. Bhavat bhava. The principle that works is that of bhavat bhava. The principle that works is that of bhavat bhava. Thus, this is applied in two ways. First, we judge the matter not only from the bhava, namely the house. We judge the matter not only from the bhava, namely the house, but also from the same number of houses away from the house under consideration, but also from the same number of houses away from the house under consideration. For example,
आवाज नीट येत नाही.
आता येतोय का? आवाज येतोय का नाही?
आता येतोय.
हा.
मग कट होत होता.
नाही, तुमचा आवाज चांगला येतोय. मॅडम तुम्ही जरा नेट मध्ये राहा, कारण सरांचा क्लिअर येतोय आवाज.
बर ठीक. ओके.
Okay, let me repeat. First, we judge the matter not only from the bhava, namely the house, but also from the same number of houses away from the house under consideration. Now let us see the example. We judge children from the fifth house. And also fifth from fifth house, that is from the ninth house. Similarly, we judge longevity from eighth house as well as from the third house, which is eighth from eighth. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now second, we can judge matters related to each house. We can judge matters related to each house. For example, consider the seventh house. For example, consider the seventh house. The eighth house, being second from the seventh, represents spouse's wealth. The eighth house, being second from the seventh, represents spouse's wealth. The ninth house, being third from the seventh, represent spouses, brothers, sisters, and so on. Followed? Or shall I repeat?
Sir, repeat it.
Okay. Second, we can judge matters related to each house. We can judge matters related to each house. For example, consider the seventh house. The eighth house, being second from seventh, represent spouse's wealth. The ninth house, being third from the seventh, represents spouses, brothers, and sisters, and so on. Now, seventh house, what seventh house represents? In
life partner and business partner.
Yes. In man's horoscope, it is wife, and in wife's horoscope, it is husband. So I am giving the example of man's horoscope. So seventh house is spouse. So the eighth house being the second house from the seventh. So
it is
have you followed?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Followed or not?
Followed, sir.
Okay, very good. Note, the 12th house from every house, the 12th house from every house represents expenditure or loss or waste of potential and significations of that house. The 12th house from every house represents expenditure, loss, waste of potential, and significations of that house. For example, seventh lord in the sixth house denies marriage. For example, seventh lord in the sixth house denies marriage. Fourth lord in the third denies happiness, and so on. Understood? Is it clear?
Fourth lord, repeat it, sir.
Okay. Lord in the third. If the lord of fourth house is in the third house, it denies happiness, and so on. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving the example of seventh lord. For example, seventh lord in the sixth. Seventh lord, if seventh lord is in the sixth house, it denies marriage. Clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Now, further, I am telling strength of planets. Strength of planets. Now, all this is very important. Now, we'll start. Every planet has a specific position where it becomes more powerful. Every planet has a specific position where it becomes more powerful. When a planet is situated in exalted position of its zodiac signs, when a planet is situated in exalted position of its zodiac signs, then it is more powerful. The next powerful position of the planet, little below exalted position, little below exalted position is triangle zodiac signs. Triangle zodiac signs. Mula Trikona Rashi. Planets in their own zodiac sign is under powerful position, which is much lesser than exalted and little lesser than triangle. When
sir, please repeat it. Sir, please repeat this sentence.
Okay. Strength of planets. Every planet has a specific position where it becomes more powerful. When a planet is situated in exalted position of its zodiac signs, then it is more powerful. The next powerful position of planet, little below exalted position, is triangle zodiac signs, Mool Trikon. Planets in their own zodiac sign is under powerful position, which is much lesser than exalted and little lesser than triangle. When a planet is situated in its friend's zodiac sign, then also it is powerful, but with a lesser degree than its own sign, zodiac sign. Planets, when situated in neutral signs, have average power. Planets, when situated in neutral signs, have average powers. Planets in enemy zodiac signs give inauspicious results. Planets in enemy zodiac signs give inauspicious results. Planets in debilitated zodiac sign is extremely weak and negative. Planet in debilitated zodiac sign is extremely weak and negative. Now, have you followed strength of planets? Any difficulty? Any difficulty? Tell me frankly. Don't hesitate.
Triangular zodiac sign का वापस बताओ. Planet in triangular zodiac sign. Planet in
yes.
त्याच्यामध्ये काय planet in little.
Planets. Now tell you again. I am repeating. Have you understood the first?
Yeah.
In exalted position, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I got it.
It is more powerful in exalted sign. In Mula Trikona sign or triangle zodiac sign, planets are lesser powerful than exalted sign.
Okay.
Then, if it is in own sign, then it is still lesser. And if it is in friend sign, it is still lesser.
Okay.
So it is descending. You see, exalted, Mool Trikon, then own sign, friend sign, neutral sign, and enemy sign. It is descending.
In friend sign, it becomes still lesser.
In friend sign, it becomes still lesser.
Okay.
And, still
neutral
lesser
sign average power.
Yes.
In neutral sign average power. And in enemy zodiac sign, it is gives inauspicious results. And in debilitated zodiac sign, extremely weak and negative.
Weak and negative, correct.
Yeah.
So powers like the descending powers, right from exalted. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir, clear.
Then one more. There is position in the horoscope. Which is even more powerful than the exalted state. There is position in the horoscope which is even more powerful than the exalted state. This position is called as highly exalted. This position is called as highly exalted. Planets situated in exalted state under a particular degrees will become highly exalted. Planets situated in exalted state under a particular degrees will become highly exalted. Clear? I have given the degrees also.
A particular degree, under particular degree.
Yes, under particular degrees will become highly exalted. Similarly, planets situated in debilitated state under a particular degrees become highly debilitated. Similarly, planets situated in debilitated state under a particular degrees become highly debilitated. Highly debilitated position is the worst in the horoscope. Highly debilitated position is the worst in the horoscope. Have you understood this? Or any difficulty?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, I have given the degrees also.
Degrees not given here. What? Actually, what is the degree? Particular degrees.
That means you are not giving the attention what I am teaching.
नहीं आपने तो डिग्री दिया ही नहीं ना यहाँ.
Degrees I have already given.
Particular given.
Degrees I have already given. I repeat. I will repeat. So
okay.
See, which is the Lord of Leo?
Lord of?
Which is the Lord of Leo?
Ravi, Sun.
Sun. So Leo is the Lord's own sign. Here. Now, which is the exaltation sign of Sun? Which is the exaltation sign of Sun?
It's Aries. Aries. Huh?
Yeah. And so I have given Aries 10 degrees. I have given Aries 10 degrees.
Okay.
Highly exalted. Aries 10 degrees. Then debilitation sign of Sun. Which is the debilitation sign of Sun?
Libra.
Huh? 10 degrees is highly debilitated. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Atul. Hello. And what about Mool Trigon? Which is the Mool Trigon sign of Sun? Mool Trigon sign of Sun? Hello?
Leo.
Mool Trigon.
Leo.
Yes. And Leo 0 degrees to 20 degrees. Mool Trigon. Leo 0 degrees to 20 degrees. I have already given all these things. Please study. Don't forget. Okay. So have you understood all these things?
Sir, understood.
Yeah. Okay. Then I shall proceed. Now, strength of degrees. Strength of degrees. Now, please note all these things. Strength of degrees. Strength of planet is Ansha Bala. strength of planet is Ansha Bala, or strength due to the degrees of the planet within a sign. Strength of planet is Ansha Bala, or strength due to the degrees of the planet within a sign. A planet with the first 1 and 2nd and the last 29 and 30 degrees in a sign is considered as good as dead. A planet with the first 1 and 2 degrees and the last 29 and 30 degrees in a sign is considered as good as dead. Within the first 3 to 9 degrees in a sign, within the first 3 to 9 degrees in a sign, it is supposed to be in its childhood, while within the last 23 to 28 degrees, while within the last 23 to 28 degrees, the planet is in old age. The planet is in old age. That below between 10 to 22 degrees is considered in its youth exerting maximum influence. The planet between 10 to 22 degrees is considered in its youth exerting maximum influence. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. All of you?
Yes, sir.
No, I am giving one example. No, solve it. Okay. Now you have to prepare a horoscope. I am telling degrees, minutes, and vikalas, and sign also. Now please take down. And I am asking the questions also. Ascendant. Ascendant Aries. Ascendant Aries. Please take down. Ascendant Aries. 8 degrees, 32 minutes, 18 seconds. 8 degrees, 32 minutes, 18 seconds. Clear? Ascendant Aries. Now Sun. Sun is in Vrishabha sign, 13 degrees, 48 minutes, 35 seconds. Sun is in Taurus, 13 degrees, 48 minutes, 35 seconds. Moon is in Leo. Moon is in Leo, 16 degrees, 0 minutes, for 14 seconds. 16 degrees, 0 minutes, 14 seconds. Mars. Mars is in Cancer. Mars is in Cancer, 22 degrees, 2 minutes, 13 seconds. 22 minutes, 22 degrees, 2 minutes, 13 seconds. Then comes which? After
Mercury.
Mars,
Mercury.
Mercury, yes. Mercury is in Taurus. Mercury is in Taurus sign, 28 degrees, 28 minutes, 39 seconds. 28 degrees, 28 minutes, and 39 seconds. Now,
Jupiter
is in Gemini. Jupiter is in Gemini. 11 degrees, 0 minutes, 10 seconds. 11 degrees, 0 minutes, 10 seconds. Venus. Venus is in Pisces. Venus is in Pisces. 28 degrees, 41 minutes, 4 seconds. 28 degrees, 41 minutes, 4 seconds. Saturn. Saturn is in Aquarius. Saturn is in Aquarius. 6 degrees, 26 minutes, 3 seconds. 6 degrees, 26 minutes, 3 seconds. Rahu. Rahu is in Scorpio. Rahu is in Scorpio. 18 degrees, 49 minutes, 20 seconds. 18 degrees, 49 minutes, 20 seconds. Now Ketu. Ketu is in Taurus. Ketu is in Taurus. 18 degrees, 49 minutes, 20 seconds. 18 degrees, 49 minutes, 20 seconds. Have you taken all?
Yeah.
Now Father Kundali, come on. Have you asked questions? Father Kundali horoscope.
Surya, Chandra, Buddha, Guru, Shukra, Shani, Rahu, Ketu.
Please tell me, have you drawn? Have you drawn horoscope?
In second house, Sun, Mercury and Ketu. In third house, Jupiter. In fourth house, Mars.
Slowly, little bit slowly. Come on.
Okay. In first house, that is Aries, that is Mesh Rashi. In second house, Sun, Mercury and Ketu. In third house, Jupiter. Fourth house, Mars. Third में Jupiter. Jupiter in third, na? Mercury.
How?
Sorry, third house, Jupiter. Third house. पराक्रम स्थानामध्ये गुरु आहे ना.
Third house.
बरोबर आहे. जुपिटर ना सर.
जुपिटर.
जेमिनीस में जुपिटर बोला.
जेमिनी में जुपिटर बोला.
Yes, Gemini. Correct.
Jupiter. In fourth house, Mars. In fifth house, Moon. Sixth house is no any planet. In seventh, no planet. In eighth house, Rahu. Ninth and 10th are blank, vacant. Then in 11th, that is Aquarius, Saturn. And Pisces में Venus, 12th house में.
Okay. Now you have to tell me. which planets are in education house? Which
fifth house.
In
Mars.
Moon.
Sorry. Moon is there in fifth.
Moon is there. Moon is there in fifth in Leo.
And what
but
about
Guru is पण विद्येचा कारक गुरु आहे ना.
No, but moon is situated there, na.
कोणत्या स्थानात शिक्षणाचे ग्रह
the
आहेत?
classification of houses?
Yes.
Which houses I have told you? Which houses of education?
4, 5 and
9.
9 and
2, 4 and 5.
9.
2, 4 and 5 ही विद्यास्थान आहेत.
हो सर.
So Mars is in education house? Mars is in education house or not?
Mars, yes sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what about
Mars, Moon and Sun?
Yes, correct. Mars, Moon and Sun, they are in education houses.
Yes, 2,
Then,
4 and 5.
Okay. Rahu is in which house?
Rahu is in 8th house.
8th house.
Yes.
Scorpio.
Tell me classification of house.
उपचय वगैरे. एक मिनिट. उपचय स्थान 3, 6, 10, 11. त्रिक स्थान 6 and 12 inauspicious स्थान है. Then पतित स्थान है 6 and 12. 6 and 12. Quadrant and angular 1470.
Okay.
710.
You tell me whether Rahu is in malefic house or not.
Yes,
Rahu
malefic. Yes, malefic house. Na?
Malefic
house. And what about Venus?
Venus is also in malefic house.
Yeah, Venus
is also in malefic house. Malefic house. Then which planets are in trine? Which planets are in trine?
Moon, only moon. 159, na? Only moon. Only moon.
Yes. Moon, only moon.
Only moon, correct. Now, again, I'm asking this question. Tell me, Sun is in his own house or what? In
Sir, कौन बोलते हैं मधे मधे?
Sun
is not its own house. It is in the Dhanastan, second house मधे. It is in second house.
Yes. But whether is it in friend's house, enemy's house, or own house? What?
One. Acha, friend.
Rishabha.
Friend's house.
Huh? Is it friend? Venus is a friend of Sun.
Not friend.
Venus is enemy.
Enemy's house, na?
Huh?
Enemy.
Enemy's house. Don't forget.
Enemy, na?
Have you got any ephemeris or not? Have you got any ephemeris? Please see in it. Yes, Sun is in enemy's house. What about Moon? What about Moon?
Moon is in friend's house.
Moon is in
his friend's house.
And Mangal, Mars is in?
Mars is in his debilitated house, na? Cancer. Because it is situated in Cancer, na? 4th house.
Again, see properly.
Okay. 20 degree.
Mars is in Cancer house.
Yeah.
Cancer. So, is it in friend's house or which house?
Debilitated house, no? Acha, okay. Friend's house.
How can you say debilitated? Friend's house. Okay. Then, what about this Mercury?
Saturn.
Mercury.
Mercury.
Also in friend's house, na? Because
friend's house.
Venus and Mercury are friends. Friend's house.
Definite? Are you clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then Jupiter?
Jupiter in 3rd house, enemy's house.
It is in enemy's house, correct?
Yes.
Venus?
Venus is also in his enemy's house, 12th house, na?
How can it be enemy's house?
Because Jupiter is
Guru
Lord of
Shukra.
mean, na? Means Pisces.
No, what about Venus? I am saying. See the itineraries. Venus is in enemy's house or neutral or friend's house or what?
Neutral.
Neutral. So give correct answer. Neutral. And Rahu?
Rahu, it means Scorpio. Enemy.
No, see it properly. Scorpio. See, Rahu is in Scorpio.
Yeah. Mangal, Rahu, enemy.
Friend.
No, not friend.
Friend, sir. Friend house.
Which one? How Rahu is friend of Mars? How Rahu is friend of Mars?
No friend, no.
Enemy, sir.
Then we are saying friend's house.
It's an enemy, sir.
Yes. Then what about Ketu?
Ketu kutha hai?
Ketu Rishabet. 2nd house.
No.
Second.
Is it in friend's house or what?
Friend's house, sir.
Friend's house, correct. So please remember all these things. Very important. Okay. Then, is there any planet which is in debilitated house, debilitated sign? Is there any planet which is in debilitated sign?
Mars is the planet which is debilitated in Cancer in 4th house.
Very good. And any planet which is in exalted sign?
Okay, exalted
sign. Any planet in exalted sign?
Venus in 12th house, Pisces, exalted.
Very good. Venus is in exalted sign.
Exalted sign, Pisces.
Right. Very good. So remember all this. This is very important while describing the horoscope. Okay. I'm taking halt here, but please remember tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Friday and next Monday, I am not taking the class because I am going outside. On Friday and on next Monday, I am not taking the class because I am going out. Okay. So next class I am taking on Wednesday. Next Wednesday.
Yeah.
Next Wednesday I'm taking.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
on Friday and on coming Monday, no class.
Okay.
On Wednesday, I will taking.
Okay.
I will take the class.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Whether
Thank
Paula
you.
sir is there?
What? What?
Paula sir आहेत का?
आहेत सर, आहेत आहेत. एक मिनिट.
नाही नाही, फक्त त्यांना सांगा.
मी लिव्ह करायला का? तुम्ही निघताय का?
नाही नाही, हो, पण ते हरकत नाही, पण त्यांना सांगा की मी म्हणजे आता शुक्रवारी आणखीन सोमवारी, सोमवारी घेणार नाहीये, मी बाहेर चाललोय आणि मी आता एकदम बुधवारी येणार आहे पुढच्या.
पुढच्या कधी?
बुधवारी.
30 तारखेला ना सर?
बुधवारी.
30
ओके
तारखेला.
ओके, चालेल.
वेन्सडे.
हो सर. हो हो हो, सांगते सर.
हा, क्लिअर.
25th and 28th नो क्लास.
येस.
30th ला क्लास असणार.
हा,
हो
ऑन
सर.
वेन्सडे, नेक्स्ट वेन्सडे.
ओके, थँक्यू सर.
Okay. Now have you understood?
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच सर.
Have you understood all these things?
सर तुम्ही, हा सर, तुम्ही खूप छान शिकवता, न चिडता सांगता, डबल सांगता. आम्ही विचारत राहतो. मजा येते शिकायला, मस्त वाटतं. फक्त आम्हाला अभ्यास करायला पाहिजे आता.
Yes. You have to study. You have to study. If you want to teach the astrology in English, you have to study a lot.
Yes sir, sure.
Okay.
हॅलो सर, सॉरी हा, तुम्हाला थोडं वेट करावं लागलं स्टार्टिंगला. थोडं नेटचे प्रॉब्लेम चाललेत, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला थोडं वेट करावं लागलं स्टार्टिंगला, म्हणून.
नाही, काय हरकत नाही, त्यात काही विशेष काही नाही. मी या गोष्टीत काही हे करत नाही, कारण हे टेक्निकल सगळ्या प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात आणि वन मस्ट अंडरस्टँड दिस.
हो, तुम्ही खूप समजून घेणारे आहात, ते समजतच आहे.
नाईस.
गोड गोड, छान गोड व्यक्तिमत्व.
सर तुम्हाला पाहिलं की एके हंगलची आठवण येते सर. माझ्या मिस्टरांना मी म्हटलं, आमचे सर एके हंगल सारखे दिसतात. कितना सन्नाटा आहे बाई.
पण मला तुम्ही कोणी विचारलं नाही, तुम्ही किती शिकले, काय केलंय, काहीच विचारलं
सर
नाही.
तुम्ही कुठे राहता, कुठे? तुम्ही तुमचं शिक्षण विचारायची आमची लायकी आहे का सर?
नाही, असं काही नाही, असं काही नाही. मी औरंगाबादला असतो आता. मी आहे पुण्याचाच, पण आता औरंगाबादला, मुलगा इथे असतो म्हणून औरंगाबादला आहे. जर औरंगाबाद पुणे असेल तर त्यांनी केव्हाही माझ्याकडे येऊन अगदी मन मोकळेपणे कुठलाही सब्जेक्ट मी शिकवू शकतो. राईट फ्रॉम तुमचं अष्टकवर्ग म्हणा, जेमिनी म्हणा, तुमचा कृष्णमूर्ती म्हणा, 4 स्टेप थेअरी म्हणा, एनी.
अष्टकवर्ग, वाव, मस्त.
येस.
सर तुम्ही